that time. 30 seconds left to finish that first pepper. Get it down to within an eighth of an inch of the stem and hold your stem up so the judges can see. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. You may now eat as many peppers as you can in 1 minute. Here we go. Judges, audience, cheer your favorite contestant on now. They've got less than a minute to see how many jalapenos they can eat. Here they go. Come on, I don't hear enough cheering out there. Now, crowd, you might want to back up a little bit because it's going to get really hot down there in front of the stage.
Keep it up. Oh, there's the trophy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. That's it. Let's give our